Special financing districts, what are they? I'm your host, Pablo, and that's today's episode of CivicMic, the podcast. Special financing districts refers to a group of funding solutions used by the local government to construct public improvements, maintain improvements, and provide services. And if you own property in the state of California, odds are you have a special financing district on your property tax bill. If you're looking at your property tax bill, you will notice your 1% tax, other taxes that are also based on the value of your property, and then a group of charges known as direct charges. This is where the special financing districts reside. Special financing districts are not based on the value of your property. The amount shown for your special financing districts is calculated separately. Each one has a formula included in the formation or creation documents for that specific special financing district. Step 1. Call the number shown in your property tax bill for each of your special financing districts and request that document so that you can understand how that amount is calculated, because it is not the same for each one of them and it's not based on the value of your property. They come in different kinds. We have special assessments, special taxes, fees, and charges. Special assessments will have the words assessment district or letters AD shown on that description. The most important document for you to request is the Assessment Engineer's Report. There is a formation report that is created at the creation or establishment of the charge, and there's an annual report. Please make sure to request both the formation and the latest annual report for your assessment district. Special taxes will have the words special tax, parcel tax, or community facilities districts, sometimes the letters CFD. The document to request for a special tax is the Special Tax Consultant Report or the resolution that established that special tax. This document will contain the rate and method, the actual formula on how this charge is calculated. Again, there will be an initial report and there may also be an annual report, so make sure to request both when they are available. And last, fees and charges refer to a water, sewer, trash, or a stormwater fee on your tax bill. These two have a report, ordinance, or resolution that establish the fee or charge. That document will contain the formula on how this amount is calculated, so please make sure to request that as well. At some point during the formation process, the property owner or resident received a notice and a ballot was executed either by the registered voter or the property owner in favor or against that charge. Once approved, the charge will show on the property tax bill every year. The revenue collected from the charge can only be used for the specific purposes listed on those documents I mentioned earlier. The documents may also provide for a term and a maximum amount that may be charged every year. We will cover how each special financing district works in detail in future episodes, but in the meantime, please request those documents. Please stay informed and get engaged. It has been a pleasure having you for this episode. Please share with your neighbors and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. This is your host, Pablo. Until the next episode of CivicMic, the podcast.